Hello guys, welcome back to the series of Dialogue Flow. In this session, we are going to learn about what is intent, what is training phrases, how to create training phrases, what is default response, and how to create custom default. Let us first understand what is default intent. It categorizes or classify end user's intention for one's conversation turn. For example, if the user asks, "Is it going to rain today?" or "Which is the nearest saloon?" If these are the terms defined in your console, then they will be detected by the dialog flow and the intent that are defined will be triggered. There are two types of intents. One, default fallback intent. Default fallback intent is matched when your agent does not recognize an end user expression. It will configure static text responses such as, "I did not get that. Can you say it again?" You can also customize fallback intents. Second, default welcome intent. Default welcome intent is matched when an end user begins a conversation with your agent. Now, let us create an intent. Click on Create Intent. Enter the intent name you want to create and save it. Moving on further, let us understand what is training phrases. Training phrases are the example phrases for what end users might type or say, referred to as end user expression. For example, the training phrase is like, "I want pizza." Trains your agent to recognize end user expressions that are similar to that phrase, like "get a pizza." Now let us understand what is default response. Intents have a default built-in response handler that can return responses after the intents are matched. For example, your intent is "hello." Then the response could look like, "Good day, what can I do for you?" Now let us see what are the default training phrases and responses available. In default welcome intent, auto-generated training phrases and responses are available. For example, "Hello, hi," "Hey there," "Hi there," "Greetings," "Hey." These are all the default training phrases available. Let us see what are the default responses available. "Hi, how are you doing?" "Hello, how can I help you?" "Good day, what can I do for you today?" These are all the text responses and default responses available. So let us try a few examples. Let us say hi and see what is the response we are going to get. "Hi, how are you doing?" Let us check one more. "Greetings." "Good day. What can I do for you today?" This is the default response we are getting. So let us try some. So let us try a phrase saying "What's up?" So the default response for that we got is "What was that?" The bot did not recognize the training phrase. So let us add a training phrase saying "What's up?" and save it. We need to add the response for this. So let us clear the default responses and add a response, text response saying "nothing" and save it. The training has successfully completed. So let us see now what response are we going to get. So we have got the response as "nothing." Thank you guys for watching this video.